Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can remove music from your TikTok videos on your PC or your laptop. To do so, first of all, you just have to log into your TikTok account on your Google Chrome browser, and after logging into your TikTok Google Chrome, just go on to upload here. Click on upload, and after clicking on upload, it will take you to TikTok Studios, from where now you need to select the video that you want to upload on your TikTok. Here, after selecting the video, you can see all of these options pop up on the screen. If you scroll down, you will see this kind of option of preview of your video. Now, and besides, on the bottom left side, you can see an option for mute. If you just click on this mute button, now the video will have no sound on your TikTok video. And that's how you can remove sound from your TikTok video on your PC or your laptop. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.